Okay, here comes the next challenge. We're going to take a shape and we're going to revolve it around an axis. So pretend like you've got your bicycle and you put a circle in the spokes and you start riding down the road. um, and this circle goes around and around. What shape would you get? So revolve is the command that I'm going to try to use here. It says select the curve you want to revolve. So I'm going to select my curve. I'm going to hit enter. Now it says what's the axis of revolution. So I'm going to rotate it like around this axis over here. And I want to go full circle around. Okay. So if I took that circle and I rotated around the axis, I get this donut shape, right? So let's undo that. Let's do a Control Z and let's get rid of our circle here and let's put a pentagon. So let's say we did a polygon and I want the polygon to have 5 sides. So I say 5 sides, and let's say I want it to, I don't know, go by edge, and we'll make the edge like I don't know, 10. Okay. Now let's say I take this object and I revolve it around that axis. What shape am I going to have? Well, let's take a look. Revolve. And I say I want that curve right there. And I want it to go around this axis here. Okay. And I want to go full circle. Whoa, look at that object. Right. Now, would they all have this little hole in the middle? Let's think about that for a second. Would they all have that hole in the middle? Well, let's do a little Control Z action here. And instead of revolving around the axis that's a ways away from the pentagon, let's say I revolved around an axis that went through this point right here. So I'm going to go near to that point. I think that'll probably do it. So let's go revolve. And I'm going to select my object. And then I'm going to select the axis that I want to revolve around. So let's say I make it go through that point, and it's going to go just vertically. Okay, so it's going to be parallel to that. And I want to go full circle again. Whoa, now this object doesn't have a hole that goes all the way through it. Man, that's pretty cool looking. Wow, look at that. So that's what we're doing. We're going to be asked to imagine, to use our imagination to see what a surface would look like, or a solid would look like if we revolved it around an axis. All right. Pretty straightforward. It's going to be a challenge to try to visualize some of these objects. I think you can do it though. All right. Try the rest of the homework assignment, and then we'll take questions in class. Okay. Thank you.